In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A14 and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. First of all, you need to open Play Store and download free app Code Files by Google from Google Developer. This one, not sponsored by the way. When your app is ready, launch it and hit continue in the pop-up. Now for it to work, click on gray switcher next to allow permission and then select those three lines at the top left corner to continue. Click clean at the top. Select clean under junk files and last but not least clear in the pop-up. As you can see, after a few seconds, storage of my Samsung was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!